right, we're going to show you the best trading strategy around. What I'm looking at here is an NQ chart, and right here what we see is we have a 100 EMA, a 50 EMA, and a 20 EMA. And I typically use those to determine direction of the market. And also sometimes I'll use them as stop losses as well. So anyways, we're just going to watch the charts for a little while here this morning. But just to show you what I'm looking at, I've got these pivot points marked on my charts. I will show you what this indicator is. It is my swing indicator. And what I do is I determine the direction of the market, and then I simply wait for a bar to close. It's got to close underneath the swing. So right here would have been a trade, but I probably wouldn't have taken it because I always put my stop at the last swing up here. And I do a 1-to-1, and that's really all I do. And over here is the best tool that you will ever find. In fact, let me show you this. This is from Nero Street, or ARC, actually. It's ARC. What is it? ARC Trading. ARC, if you Google ARC and trading, you should find this website. But they've got all kinds of tools that you can use. But this is, in trading, it's all about money management. So I can say, you know, I just want to risk, say, $160 per trade. I can do that. Click this. It will determine how many contracts I'll need. I usually do probably, I don't know. I start with 30, stop, but it will, see, I've got 150 risk there with 10 contracts on the NQ. So, I mean, I'll show you. Say I was going to go short here. Right here. If I move this up and you look to the right, it's going to adjust my quantity here. See how sweet that is? That's awesome. Money management's everything. Another thing I have on here from, well, what is that? Let me just look real quick. ARC. Yeah, ARC AI indicators. I'll try to put a link in the description about that. But great tool to have. It's the best tool I have. Another indicator that I have from there are these unizone lines. And that's really about it. That's all I got to do. So let's see if we can get it. Well, actually, the market is about ready to open, so probably won't get a trade here for another 10 minutes or so, but we'll see if we get one at the open. I'm going to get a cup of coffee real quick. Really, unfortunately, a lot about trading is just waiting. Kind of like watching paint dry, unfortunately. I've been trading for a long time, and I found this strategy just to work the best. It's the most consistent. Hopefully we'll end with the green day today. It's a Friday, so I hate ending a Friday with a red day because you got the entire weekend to stew over it. But, you know, this strategy, it just works. I don't know. You win some, you lose some, though. But you have to wait for that to close. We don't want, so let me just show you something here. This, for instance, right here, I wouldn't have taken this trade here because a bar did not close below it. See that? So, want to wait for it to close. Like right here, we had the swing print here. It closed. And at the close of that, I would be ready for it to take a trade, and I would have set my stop probably right up here, and that would have been close to a 1-to-1 right there. So, and sometimes I'll trail the stop. You can do that as well, like this. You could actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead. Let's just for the sake of content here, let's take this trade. I'm going to set my entry there, and I'm going to go ahead.
Order canceled.
Oh, whoops! Come on. I'm going to need to put this in a sim. Gosh, hold on. 160. Target. Go 30. Maybe it's a good thing I didn't take this trade. And usually, I'm going to go ahead and put a limit order right there. And the reason why I would have possibly took this trade is because we had a double bottom here. We have some uni zones printed. So anyway, that's we'll see. I'm going to put this right here though. So if it goes up and taps that, we'll be in the trade. These uni zones are pretty powerful, typically. It's just where their order blocks
order submitted.
that are wearing this trade. So that's how this works. And why didn't that? I don't know. I don't know why that didn't. See, I have 6 contracts at my stop and 1 here, so I don't know why that happened. I've got to adjust something here. I want to make sure I'm ready in case I need to kill this. Oh,
order
look at
canceled.
that. Okay, so here's what happened on that trade. That was just for literally content purposes, but the market just opened. Typically, I don't trade anything until what in the world is going on? 5 minutes after the open. So that's what happened with that. I just wanted to show you a trade. Let's see if we get another one here. I'm just now. You can see my program here. This is OBS. And this is the first time I've used it, and I'm trying to see if this shows me how long this video is, because I do not know right now. Just starting this channel. I don't know what I'm going to do with this channel, my YouTube channel exactly. If I'm going to focus on trading or other things, some finance stuff possibly. Coffee's good. Coffee's real good. Let me show you what I'm drinking here. This is Keurig K-Cups. It's Black Rifle Coffee Company, man. Delicious. Now, if this was a trade, or if it was 9:05, I would have taken this trade right here. It closed under my swing. Would have set the stop there. And I'll move the camera out of the way so I can show you this tool. I use this Arc. This is another tool I got from Arc. But see, I would have got in right there, or tried to, and would have hit a 1-to-1. I mean, it's all we have to do is win over 50% of our trades. We're in profit. If I can get 60, that's good profit. So that's really all we're trying to accomplish. Oh, this would have been another trade. This is a little riskier because it's so far away from the EMAs. So so this is what I try to do. The 100 EMA, typically I'll take the first bar to break a pivot or a swing, and the second bar typically. Now this one wouldn't have worked out because, again, it was such a strong move down. All it's doing is just coming back. Now this one I would probably take. In fact, let's go for it. Let's just do it. I'm gonna miss it. Limit.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, let's see what happens here now. There is an order block here, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes. This one I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to attach this to my 20 EMA and use this as a stop loss. I usually go 10 above or below the EMA for my stop loss, and boom, see, now we're at break even. It's going to come back on me, but see how it bounces off this uni zone? These are so powerful. You can see my stop is following my EMA, so that's pretty cool. Go, hit it, tap it, go,
Order
boom.
filled.
So there we go.
Order canceled.
I need to make sure we're out of these trades real quick. Oh, come on. Now see, because I'm sharing my screen, I'm on my laptop, and I don't like trading on my laptop because it's such a small screen. Oh, see, I'm still in this trade. I need to flatten everything
Order
here.
filled.
Boom. We're done. That was a right click, flatten, boom. Man. So that's really how that goes. Now, typically what I'll wait before I take another trade is I'm either going to wait for this to get above or to touch the 20 or the 100 EMA to reset everything before I take another trade. Really what you want to see is all these EMAs going in the same direction. Let's see if I can show you where it flips. Right here. You see how it flipped right here, and we had both the 20 and the 50, or the 20 and the 50 under the 100 EMA right there. That's what we would call a flip. Now, if you look at here, this would be the first trade under the 100 EMA. So I would have taken this trade for a 1-to-1 win. Let's just go back here. And then I would have taken the second one to do that. If I liked it, which would have been here, it would have been a loss. But look, see how far away it was from the 100 EMA. So I probably wouldn't have taken that, because this would have been the ideal spot to take it right here. But it didn't give me the trade because this bar did not close underneath it. If it touches it and goes up, I'm not taking the trade. I just don't. You could if you wanted to be a little more risky, but you could have taken this one and set your stop there, and it would have won. And sometimes you just got to feel the market, you know. I like, the reason why I like this is because it's bouncing right here off this uni zone. See, down here you're in the middle of nowhere. So you like to take trades by EMAs or by these zones. Like right here was good. It was a bounce off. It was a bounce off of that, so we could have taken that trade. Now it would have lost, it looks like. But like I said, man, you win some, you lose some. It's just the way it is. And I tell you what, trading is not for the faint of heart. I can tell you that for sure. Let's just see if we get another trade here. In fact, I'm going to get my chart set up on my desktop because I don't like trading on my laptop. It's just too small. Hopefully this doesn't kick me out doing this here. Oh. I want to go long here. If this closes, there it did. Oh, I'm going to miss this trade, doggone it. I was looking at my other... Yep, see, that would have won, I think. Hold on. Maybe we can still get in it. If it comes back.
Order submitted.
Uh-oh, we're in it.
Order filled.
I don't know what in the world's going on here. I got to get out of this. This is why I do not like trading on this. Get out, flatten this.
Order filled.
Okay. That was a happy mistake there, but I got into that trade 1-to-1, $205 profit. I mean, really, that's what we do. Best trading strategy ever. Best day trading strategy ever. So, anyways, guys, happy trading. Stick around. We'll see what this channel becomes, and we'll just go from there. God bless.